Hey everybody, I'm Ange from Travel Rebooted.
And I'm Tiffany from Pink and Blues.
And we're still alive! Yay!
I mean, we're excited about it. Hopefully you are.
We are making this joint video because we have some really exciting news, and that is that we have a new set. We have moved our studio. We worked really hard to move our studio from where it used to be to where it is now. And the place that it was before was fine, but it was very small. Gotta go outside to change your mind, kind of small. So,
It was also very near a busy road. So there's a lot of editing out very large truck noises driving by.
You think you're gonna miss that in the middle of an important sentence and you hear
Yes, it's very dear to me.
So those things we no longer have because we are now in my basement, which you can't see, but it is. It's probably good that you can't see the rest of it, take my word for it. But
all of it looks like this. Just got curtains with lights all the way around.
Yeah, it's a fairy wonderland. No.
I wish it was. That'd be amazing.
I wish it was too, because then all that junk wouldn't be here. But
there's
anyway.
No junk. They can't see that.
Oh right, there's no junk. Anyway.
So this is my set, if you didn't guess that. Yeah, oh wait, we're gonna go this way, ready?
Okay.
Ta-da! We are dorks.
Yeah. We're sisters, so we grew up this dorky together. Yeah. So we come by it honestly. But.
Oh, and in case you can't tell, I mean, it's been a long time since we both recorded videos, so maybe you can't, but we are both getting over being sick. Not COVID sick, just regular sick.
Just normal level of sick. Nothing, big, bad, and scary, just inconvenient and annoying.
Yeah. So we actually recorded this video once already and got pretty much all the way done with it, and then put it on the computer to edit it and realized that the microphone had cut out before the end.
Like 5 minutes to the end of the video.
Which is really unfortunate. But I wanted to tell you that so you know that while we're very excited about our new sets, we're still working through the
the bugs.
So bear with us, please.
The good thing about having the studio here now is that we have a lot more room, which lets us have the lights more than 2 inches away from our face, which is a good thing, so we don't look like cheap imitations of Casper, the friendly ghost.
We already kind of do, and that just really made it worse.
Now we just are our normal level of ghostly pale.
Right.
But yeah, and also that we have a better sound setup and just a lot of good things. We're really excited about it. So yeah, so we're now here, and Tiff has got some awesome videos coming up.
Yes, I actually am in the process of editing a video that I actually talked about in the last video I did, my quarantine vlog, about the Shark Week survival kit. I actually...
We really are this turkey all the time. Anyway.
Go
ahead.
The Shark Week survival kit that I ended up getting 3 boxes of to unbox. Because if you remember in that video, I talked about that I already had one and I was dying to open it. And then since that video, I ended up getting 2 more that I still didn't open until just recently when we actually finally recorded the video. So I was very, very excited to know what's inside there. It was amazing. I was so excited.
It really was driving her nuts. It was kind of funny to me, but...
And I'm already mostly nuts to start with, so it really just took it up a notch. So, yeah, so look for that after this video. There should be... the Shark Week box should be coming soon. I'm also planning on doing a video on period underwear. I talked about that in the quarantine vlog as well, where I mentioned that I had already had 1 pair of period underwear and I was hoping to get some more to test and review for you guys, because it seems like you guys really liked the tampon videos that I did, or people seem to like them. So I'd like to do more like that because it seems like it's something that people really want to see, which I totally get, because when you want to get something online and you're like, am I going to like this? What is it really going to be like? Is it going to fit me? Is it going to work as described? I don't know.
Am I going to spend $10 on this thing and have totally wasted it?
Or like the period underwear, I mean, they can be like $40.
Yeah.
$40 for a pair of underwear, I'd like to know that they're going to be worth it. So yes, I am working on that. It's kind of slow going because, like I just said, period underwear are kind of expensive. Which does bring me to the convenient thing that I was going to mention, that I actually did just start a coffee page.
Mhm.
Yes, it's coffee, but it's spelled Ko-Fi, which I always think is Ko-Fi, but apparently it's coffee. Just throwing that out there. But I do have that now, so if you would like to help me make those videos a little quicker, and you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can do so. We'll put the link in the description for mine, and she also has a coffee page that you can donate to help her make videos. And making videos is not usually free. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort, and a lot of, a new camera and microphone and lights and all that stuff goes into it. So
all the set material that we just bought and spent a lot of time finding out that we were not skilled in carpentry to put together.
But now,
that's true.
Still not great.
That's true, and we even used some power tools. I was not a fan.
No. So if you have like a woodworking channel, don't at us.
It's the best we could do. Okay.
We're still learning. But yeah, so it does all add up, and so if you think that you would like to see us do more videos, which hopefully you would, and you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, that would be awesome, and we'd really, really appreciate it. Oh, and also coming up on my channel, I have a video on male infertility factors. Very often it seems like the focus on infertility is on women, and I feel like men kind of
get the shaft. I guess that wouldn't really be appropriate.
Get screwed.
No,
it's not better. Men get left out.
Yeah, that's probably
of a lot of the infertility information. So I have a video coming up on that I am excited to do. Also, I have a video that we recorded a couple of times before COVID happened and everything. We recorded this video on infertility acronyms, where it's kind of a game where I say the acronym and she has to guess what it means, because she's not as familiar with the infertility acronyms as I am. And hilarity ensued. And then we got that video done and realized, because it was just the two of us recording and it was on my phone, so I didn't have a way to watch what was being recorded, that the video had cut out like halfway through, and it was just us talking to an empty room, which was awesome.
For like a half an hour. It's a good feeling.
So that wasn't good.
Yeah.
So then after a little while later, we re-recorded it. And I don't remember what happened that time. There was something with the lighting or the sound.
Or
I don't know. Something. And
some
so
major malfunction.
Soon we will record this again, and oh please God, let third time be the charm. On the upside, it's been so long that you probably forgot it all by now.
That's probably true.
No.
That's probably true. Which you were hoping for, because you take great... In this video, one of the things that she does is she has star stickers that she gives me stars when I get one right or wrong or whatever she feels like at the moment, that she sticks to my face. Oh, wait. No. We don't need to... Why did I say anything?
They may not believe you. I feel like they might want proof.
I think they will believe me. I don't think that's really necessary.
Ta-da! Gold star.
Ta-da!
See, it's so much better now. Don't you want to see her covered in these? It's coming. It's coming.
So anybody who is watching this on my channel is probably really confused, because they're coming here for gaming videos and they're like, why are we talking about period underwear? But, get over it.
You could still learn. Everyone should know about periods.
Yes, knowledge is power.
That's right.
Knowing is half the battle.
All that good stuff.
All that. Yeah.
G.I. Joe. I don't know.
I don't know how much he knew about periods, but
probably very little.
Probably not a lot. But yes. So this first half was Tiff's set. So this is all of her stuff and where she's going to be making her videos. And then we did a really cool presto changeo kind of thing where my set is on wheels and it comes and rolls in and unfolds and like a transformer, and it's super cool.
Which is why you should be super impressed, because we just told you that we really don't have carpentry skills.
We discovered that every time we started to do something, we were like, this should work. Oh no, that doesn't work.
But we both used saws. It was very empowering.
And we still have all our fingers and toes.
We're not going to show you our toes, but they're there.
It's there, for real. But yeah, so this is Tiff's set, and this is my set.
It's so pretty.
I don't have a ta-da on mine, I just have...
But She's got Baby Yoda, or the child, blah, blah, blah.
It's Baby Yoda. Everyone knows it's Baby Yoda. So yeah, we made it to roll in so that we could use our 2 different sets without having to move the camera and lights and all that good stuff. So that hopefully should make it a lot easier for us to make some videos in the future. And so I hope you guys really like what we've got going on here.
She does have some future videos that she has planned on her channel.
Yep. I have the second half of the Orzammar video that I did an amount of time ago that we will not go into. And
Time that shall not be named.
yes, back in the good old days before 2020. Yeah, before all the current insanity started. And that has made it a little bit of a challenge between that and moving a studio, and then
I couldn't be here for several months, so we didn't get a lot accomplished in that time.
yes, so we had a lot of challenges, but we're here now, and
It's done.
We have it, so we are super excited.
We are. This video is brought to you by the phrase
Super
super excited and the number 7. Remember?
Yes. Yes,
I don't know.
I have a habit of saying that I'm super excited about things, and she
You
finds
totally
it.
need to put a clip right here of you being like, I'm super excited, super like all the different times you've said super excited. No? I think it'd be cool.
As you can see, she likes to mock me for it.
It's in love.
Uh-huh. Anyway, so I have that video coming up. I also have a video on the Temple of Sacred Ashes and Haven. And then beyond that, we will be getting into some other games. I'm looking at Final Fantasy XIV and possibly World of Warcraft and some other cool stuff. And if you have a game that you have a favorite place that you like to go in and you really like me to go there, feel free to put it in the comments. On my channel, probably really wouldn't help to put it in the...
I mean, I can tell her. If you're like, I came here for periods, but now you're talking about games and I'm intrigued, that's okay too. Or if you came for games and you're intrigued about periods, that's cool too.
Mm-hmm. Girls are gamers too. Yeah,
Heck yeah.
that was loud.
It was
Anyway.
probably really loud.
It was
yeah.
probably really loud.
But it shows that we're
Yeah.
not playing around.
Oh.
Well,
But-
playing games, but no. Okay.
But yes, I am also planning on branching out a little bit. I'm probably going to do some mod spotlight videos, possibly, and some other things that I got going on. I've started doing some streaming, and I'm still kind of feeling out how I want to go in that direction. But I do have some videos that I recorded from the times that I've been streaming that I want to kind of chop up in pieces so that I have specific scenes that I can put up if people are looking for specifically the Kuzland intro to Dragon Age Origins, that kind of thing. So I can split those up and make those available too. So I have a lot of plans in that.
It's really nice because if you're looking for a specific part of the game and someone's like, oh, come watch my 2-hour video and you get lucky if you find the thing that you're actually looking for. That's a little frustrating.
So as someone who does a lot of writing based on games and stuff like that, I know that it can be very frustrating to look for a certain thing and have to crawl through hours of gameplay to try to find
always
what
start with like a 22-year-old guy being like, hey, what's up, everybody? Blah, 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 blah. I don't know why, but that seems like that's the thing they do.
Yeah.
Is that rude? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't call attention to that. I'm sorry. I'm sure they'd make fun of me with my period videos, so I mean, I'm not really sorry.
No. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's a lot of the stuff that we have planned. The next video, after the Orzammar video, which I filmed way back and then never got a chance to finish, our next video, the Sacred Ashes and Haven video, I'm actually going to make her be in it with me. It'll be very exciting. I'm going to make her travel with me to the world of Thetis.
I didn't agree to this. I'm not traveling anywhere. There's travel restrictions right now.
Not to Thetis. It's
Oh,
okay there.
okay.
So, and that's why it's important to come enjoy videos on my channel, because when you can't travel in real life, you can always travel in the virtual world. So anyway, that is what we wanted to do. We wanted to show you our new sets and let you know that we didn't die and that we were going to be making more videos. And did you have anything else?
I don't know, but can I just say that it's great that you still have a star on your head? Oh, come on. I really thought that was going to fall into your cup. Oh, star overboard!
It would be about power for all this has gone so far. But anyway. Anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you're excited for what we got to come.
Hope you've been staying safe and as sane as possible with everything that's going on.
And if you have any kind of videos that you are specifically interested in, or suggestions that you'd like to see either of us do on either of our channels, by all means,
or together. If there's anything you'd like to see it, you're like, hey, you guys are really weird and super dorky, and I am amused by it, so you should do this video together. That's
like
cool too.
We would like you to sit and be weird for us. Dance monkey.
Yeah, that.
That. Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you want that, I guess I think you should probably consult a therapist. But other than that, just let us know.
Who shouldn't, really?
That's valid, yeah. So yeah,
thank you guys for watching this.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll have links in the description to our social media and all of the good stuff that we've got going on. And we'll see you soon. Bye.